During the winter months, I like to get cozy at home, and I like my coffee Hills Brothers. It's great to get up to that delicious aroma of Hills Brothers coffee, like vanilla with sweet almond or hazelnut with caramel. And for entertaining, I like to make something special. I found a gingerbread latte recipe that is perfect for this season. I start out by combining a half of a cup of milk, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of molasses, and a teaspoon of maple syrup in a saucepan. While that's heating over medium-low heat, I brew an extra strong cup of Hills Brothers coffee. While the mixture is heating, I whisk it until it becomes frothy. And then I add it to my coffee in a large mug. If I want to get fancy, I'll put just a bit of whipped cream on top. For more drink recipes, visit hillsbroscappuccino.com and be sure to pick up your favorite flavor at your local Jewel-Osco.